Woodpeckers 90-degree saddle squares are precise layout tools that will help woodworkers quickly mark two perpendicular sides of a board where both lines are perfectly aligned. This will save you time and will ensure the accurate layout of your woodworking projects. Woodpeckers 90-degree saddle squares come in two sizes, 2.5 inch and 6 inch, and in the metric versions, 64 mm and 150 mm. Each has a center scale on the end, which is 2 3/4 inches wide, and has a 3/4 inch saddle face that rests against the edge of your workpiece. This precise tool allows you to mark two perpendicular sides of a board where both lines are in perfect alignment with each other. Position once, mark once, you're done. And if you need to transfer the line to the other side of the board, no problem. Just flip the board, align on the edge mark, and mark your line. Now try doing that with a combination square. No, we didn't invent the saddle square, but Woodpeckers takes these workshop workhorses to an entirely new level of quality, accuracy, and versatility. We're confident that these saddle squares will be the most accurate layout tools in your shop. Like all Woodpeckers OneTIME tools, Woodpeckers' new 90-degree saddle squares are manufactured in our shop just outside of Cleveland, Ohio, and made in the USA.